Wealth doesn't start outside, it starts inside. You don't attract money by chasing it. You attract it by sending out the right frequency. Segment 1. What is abundance frequency? Abundance frequency is the inner signal your mindset, belief system, and emotions broadcast into the world. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you broadcast. And every person broadcasts a financial signal, either scarcity or abundance. Visual. Radar waves coming from a human silhouette. Left pointing magnifying glass. Segment 2. The 3 abundance frequency patterns. Your financial reality is shaped by the frequency pattern you operate in. Down pointing red triangle. 1. The scarcity frequency pattern. Low signal. This pattern repels opportunity. You fear spending, fear trying, fear failing, and fear blocks flow. Traits. Overthinking, hesitation, self-doubt, expecting loss. Large blue diamond. 2. The stability frequency pattern. Neutral signal. This pattern attracts enough for survival, but not abundance. You're safe, stable, but stuck. Traits. Controlled optimism, limited risks, predictable routines, income plateaus. Large orange diamond. 3. The abundance frequency pattern. High signal. This pattern pulls opportunities toward you without force. You attract connections, ideas, resources, and breakthroughs naturally. Traits. Calm confidence, fast decision-making, openness to growth, gratitude mindset, receiving without guilt. Hammer and wrench. Segment 3. How to shift into the abundance frequency pattern. Here are the steps to realign your financial frequency. Step 1. Change your internal script. Your dominant thoughts form your dominant frequency. Step 2. Heal your money nerves. The nervous system stores financial fear. You must calm your inner resistance to wealth. Step 3. Adopt expansion habits. Your actions must match the pattern of someone ready for more. Examples: investing, learning, networking, building assets. Step 4. Stay in gratitude resonance. Gratitude is the highest abundance frequency. When you live in gratitude, you vibrate at the level where blessings locate you. Visual. Glowing heart radiating outward. Segment 4. How frequency attracts money. When your frequency aligns with abundance, opportunities find you, people trust you, ideas come effortlessly, miracles become normal. Money is not something you chase. It is something you attract through alignment.